if we just back up to real estate versus small business, I think both of them are amazing. You know that I'm a massive proponent of small business. I'm dabbling a lot in that as we're going to discuss. But I think small business, you're always in a race against the clock. Your competitors are getting better. Your opportunities feel like they're fleeting. You got to hustle, you got to hire, you got to drive, you got to go. And small businesses are amazing because in a year, your business can evolve in a way that you never thought possible, and it can grow, and there's no real limit. There's no upside to small business. Okay. Real estate, there's definitely an upside. You only have so much square footage. You can only rent them for so much money. And time is on your side. There's no rush. You're not in a big stressful situation to, oh my God, I just bought a storage facility. Now I got to go hire 7 people, and I got to bring a new product, and I got to worry about my service, and I got to revamp my, it's time is on your side. So you look at the most wealthy families in American history, and I'm talking about billion-dollar families. It's a pretty common occurrence that over 50% of their net worth is tied up in well-managed real estate. So if you can buy good buildings and good locations and you can hold on to them, really good things happen over time. Like we joke in our business that, there's a really good 3-step strategy to get rich in real estate. It's like make a lot of money doing something else. And we can talk about that. I don't think real estate is the best place to make your money. Buy good buildings in good locations and manage them well. That's step 2. Step 3 is don't die. Just live. Go do whatever you want to do. And time is on your side. And that's the amazing thing about self-storage. So I think there's 2 ways to do real estate. There's the way to do real estate where you're trying to buy it, you're trying to add value to it, and you're trying to sell it. Transaction costs are huge in real estate. You're paying attorneys, you're paying engineers, you're paying appraisers, you're paying bankers, you're paying 10, 20% of the transactions on both ends to get these things done. And you find yourself again, that mouse in that ball running, and you're in the rat race of doing real estate deals. And then you realize you're nothing more than, a service. You're a service for the high net worth families who are going to buy your building at the end of your work to make that building better. You're trading your time and your money for money. You're trading your time and energy for money, just like every single other business. You're not really in the real estate business. You're in the service business. The way that you get in the real estate business is you buy assets and you hold them for a really long time. That's my goal. So there's a lot of different ways to do this, but real estate for me is a very long-term play on wealth preservation. It's tax efficient. And again, you hold good assets, you manage them well, and wait 20 years. And very rarely can you go wrong with that.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.